Alright, so hey, welcome to Lunastra, and this is your late night show. After a long time, I came back and I'm trying to, I don't know, trying to get a hang of it. So, as you know, this is the Learn With Me series, and I'm gonna be coding here. So, in today's video, it's more like the promise that I made on my podcast. So if you guys don't know what podcast I'm talking about, go check out my channel. You should find that podcast. And also, let me check the voices. Is it better or what? I don't know really. Okay, so let's try it. So yeah, as I mentioned before, I was in my podcast, so I was about to make and give you an article website. So today we're going to be working on that part. So we're going to be making an article website. Let's just, okay, this is my previous merge, oh sorry, CLS. Alright, so today we're going to be making an article website that's going to be like basically the script or the reading version of the podcast that I make. So I should have done this before I uploaded the podcast, but I couldn't get through it. I'm sorry for that. But now I'm gonna be moving on and start creating a project. So our folder actually. What should I call it? Okay, let's call the podcast name The Nerdy Espresso. Alright, right there. I always type that. Okay, so before I start, I will open it in the code. Again, if you have not checked it, this is the repository we're currently working on. Here is that. Come here. You here. Okay, nice. So we're gonna be working on front end and back end, both of them. I don't know if I would have time to cover both in this video. I might take it to like a second video, and we should complete it there. So I'll start with, I might close this one. I don't need, I'm gonna be using the built-in and command line interface in VS Code. You should have seen me recording in my first video. You have seen this interface, so nothing to explain here. So for this backend, we're gonna be using Django and Django-based framework. We're gonna be using SQLite because I am not dealing with lots of data or something, so it's gonna be fine using SQLite. And for the front end, we're gonna be using React.js. Alright, so let's just start making folders like what server. I need a folder called server. It's gonna be handling our backend, and client is gonna handle our front end. So first I'll build the backend because that's how I like to work. Laptop is hanging. Okay. Anyways, let's go to server. Come on, man. What is wrong? Okay. Don't get mad. It's taking lots of time because I'm recording and it has some performance issues. Anyways, so that's how we're going to be creating our first step. We're going to be making our virtual env. As you can see, it's the virtual env here. And now let's wait till it completes. I'm going to be installing a bunch of things. This project, it's going to be not that long. It shouldn't take that long because we're going to be just building a few APIs to just create, update and delete the cloud functionality of a blogger website. Basically that's it, but we're not going to be handling the authentication. I don't want to like make it super complex for a normal reading website. So yeah, but I might add it later, like newsletter or something like that, but let's keep it simple from now. Let's activate our environment. Scripts activate. Okay, it's there. Now what we wanna do? Let's just install Django REST framework. That should be it for now. Oh, we need Pillow, but I already just launched the command, so it's okay. We'll install it later. I often forget like how to set up the images folder here, so I really wonder if I can do that right now. I have to look it up. The voices. Is it working? Audacity. Yep, the voices are there, but it's so slow, I guess. Okay. Was I too quiet or too slow? I don't know. I'll edit it. I'll try it to make it better. The promise was to make it like edit free as much as I can. So let's just create Django admin, start project. I'll just call it API. Shit. Okay. I don't want it to be like this. I don't need a nested root, like literally. So if you don't need a nested like API under API, you don't need that. You just put a period there and it should work like gotcha. We should be creating the folders, and yep, folders are there. We got our manage.py, the same folder. The env is in the same server folder. So this is the structure I want. I don't want like API under API and other stuffs like that. The server should be our main endpoint where all the server code is there. So API is the Django application, but main the folder is server. Okay, with that said, let's see. Give it the time to create the project. Let's see how it goes. If I have enough followers, I'll really start working on live streams. I don't know if you like live streams or not. You can let me know what do you like, what you want to see in these kind of videos or something like that. It's been 7 minutes and I'm still on the setup page. Okay. Before I go there, let's just look something up. Like let's see is how to images in Django REST framework. There is a tutorial from there's a tutorial from dev.tool. Let's see, admin video location settings and by yep. This is exactly what I want to do. So here you go, you can check it out. This is the article I'm talking about. It's maybe this is the one. Yeah, this is the one that I wanted to do. Just to views it. Yeah, serializes. Okay, React side, I'll handle that later because I'm currently working on the Django part. It's just okay, it's done. Put it there. Now I'm gonna creating an app, manage.py, start app. So what should I name it? Article, I guess. Now I should have the application folder and everything should be good to go for now. Okay, I'll just pull it down. The articles folder, I need a new file called urls.py. It will handle our URLs in app level, and to handle it we need to go open the API folder, go to settings. I don't want this comments. it's here. I'm gonna be importing OS right now because I like it. Anyways, in installed apps, we need our app to register. Article. We also need is REST framework. Okay, that should do for now. And then we are going to URLs. Again, remove these things. We're gonna be importing include, and I'll be creating a new path where it's gonna be like API /v1 because it's the version 1 that I'm talking about. And we don't need admin.site.urls, we need include. Come on, AutoSuggest, why like this? Include. Now I need the application name article. It's article on articles, yeah. Article.urls. And it's fine now. You can close this, go to URLs. Now I want this as well. I'm going to be copying it for simplicity because I don't like to write that much. I need the path, not the include, and none of this are defined. Okay, is there now? First things first, I'm gonna be setting up the images part. So I'll be installing pip install pillow. This library helps us working with the images. Hold on. Okay, so to handle the images, we're gonna be using pillow. And now I'm going to the settings file. I have imported OS. Now I'm going to the end of this page, static. After the static, I'm gonna be adding few lines. Media underscore root equals to OS other join other name. Okay, I need base there, which is already set up, so I don't have to worry about that. Now I'm going to be giving a file name which is media files, and I'm going to be adding the media URL, which is simply just media. Alright, it's done. Now we're going to be adding location to urls.py. Go to the settings urls.py, and we need to import something from django.conf import settings, and from django.conf.urls.static import static. That should be it. Do I need anything? No, I don't. Now I here need to add this static is going to be settings dot media URL, not static URL, yeah, media URL, and the document root gonna be settings dot media root, and we should be good to go. Alright, now it's time to create the model. Everything is fine, but I'm gonna be doing Python bench.py make migrations. This is for the first time I'm gonna be checking my application running. Wow, at first I just got the error. I haven't even started it. Okay, I forgot a slash. That should do. Now go. Yeah, it did work, so we can move on. do migrations, and it should oh sorry, I migrate. Come on, what's wrong with me? Okay, it's migrating a bunch of things, so it should create lots of things out of the box. That's why Django is a really heavy framework, but I love to work with it. So I'll just run the application and just see how things are going. Yeah, as you can see, this is our application so far. We're in that, but we don't have anything yet, anything to work with right now. If I go to my normal path, there's still nothing. I know. It's basically this path where our home application is gonna be loading. After this v1, we'll be providing everything. Now, as our application is running, I will delete that right now. I'll be putting this right there. Okay. Now, we need the models to work with our database. We go to our models, and here I'm gonna be creating my first model and maybe the last one. Anyways, for this app, we need a class, and I'll just say it article models.model. And now, this app is not going to give the features to like creating article anyone wants, so I don't really need an author, but what I need is title, which is a little char field. I'll give it a 250, and blank should not be a true. Okay, now I need what? Let's see, what do I need? I can give an episode name like EP number. It's gonna be in the episode number, so I'm gonna be giving it an integer field. Num should not, so I can just quote this reference to the episode. That's gonna be working super fun. Then I need the body itself, so body is gonna be text field without a limited number. Nope, not 255. Yeah. And now I need an image URL. This is where I'm copying from the blog image field. This is gonna be handling the image. So they created a separate function here. So let's create that. Def upload to, I'll give it an instance and the file name. Then let's see, we're gonna be return images file name slash dot format file name equals file name, and that's good. Now we are going to give the upload to equal to upload to. It's a bit weird, but okay, blank equals true. I can write it like this, true, and null equals true as well. And maybe that's it. I'll just type string underscore self return self dot title. Do I put the title? I guess I'll just give it with the episode number. That's easy to see on admin panel, you know. Okay, the models are here. I should make the migrations. Make migrations article. Okay, it just created the article model. I don't think I'll add I'll be adding anything else. Let's just migrate. Okay, it created my sessions and stuffs. Now for this, I just need to give the view option, because literally I'm not going to give access, and Django has that admin panel that I really don't have to work with. I just need the simplest viewing option. Oh, I haven't anticipated the thing that this backend is gonna be really short, so I might start the setup and few work needed to do for, I don't know, maybe React setup, because I don't have a design in my mind. Anyways, let's go to I need serializer, don't I? Yeah, I do. So yeah, I'm gonna be using serializers.py. Now I forgot how to set up serializer. This is, oh, they have provided the serializer. Like, I'm really grateful to that. Okay, for this I'm gonna be using from REST framework import. Thing is, the interpreter is wrong. What? Where is the interpreter that I'm currently using? Was this the one I was using or not? Because I'm hating the squigglies. Virtual MVs. Where is it? Okay, you know what? I need this path. Let's see if it can find it. Nope. API 1, why this? Why is a name like this? Come on, man. Just restart it. Okay? I don't care. Huh? Okay, anyways, if it works, it works. I'm gonna be importing serializers from .models import, import, what was it? Article. Yeah, article. Now plus article serializer is gonna be taking serializers dot model serializer. Perfect. Now let's go. So here's something that okay, I don't need first two thing. I need this, so I'm gonna be copying and pasting it. This is the image URL that we defined it, like here it's image URL. Yup. Then I need the class of meta. Model is going to be article, and fields, I can just say dash all dash. This should be enough for the serializer. Now let's work with our views, shall we? Here we go. I need a few things to import. Dot models, import article. I need from dot serializers, import article serializer. Then I need from REST framework, import. No, I don't need permissions. Why they're using parsers? No, no authentication is really parser class. Okay, they're using parsers for some reason. Oh, they're creating it. I really don't need to create it. I need the decoration and stuff like that. What was it? I really forgot. I'll just look it up quickly. Come on. Okay. Where was it? Okay, yeah, this is my application on my GitHub that I'm currently looking at. API. Okay, I'll just show you what I'm looking at right now, so it's kind of easy for you to understand. The product, this is something that I'm kind of mimicking. Okay, so let's see if I've done something else on serializers. User comment. This is the comment. I don't need the product serializer. Yeah, this is what I was working on. I don't have any for like relationships or something, so I really don't need to add it. Oh, wait a second. Do I need to add image URL like this? Because I don't know. Maybe I have to. I took this sample ID. I don't have any creator ID, title, body, and something like that. I'll give. Oh, it has it. So why not just? Okay, I need body, and before the body I have another thing, which is episode number. This should be done. Now I'm going to open this up. Yeah, it's fine. Let's go to views. Oh, I have lots of things. I need response from here. I don't want to jumble a lot of things. I don't really like mumbo jumbo. Anyways, authentication I don't need. I need, come on, API view, just API view decorator. Yes, I'm going on. And okay, I need status as well, and that should be it. Okay, I have stripe and something like that, but I don't really need it. Okay, I need a route which shows why. Yeah, get all products. I need something like this. Let's see what it here. I can see get all. It gives the get method. Get all. I need articles. Get. I need objects. It's gonna be article objects dot all. That should be done. Serializer is article serializer. We to request. Okay, so this is it for viewing all the products. Let's create comment, update comment. Okay, so I really wonder why don't I have a single product application like that? Wait, why don't I have that? It's just giving me all the products, but it's fine. I can just look it up. It's okay. I just forgot about things. How about I now just move on to my page by create super user. Um, I'll just create a dummy right now. I'm not going to use it anyways, so whatever it is. Perfect, so the application is almost done. I'm gonna be running the server. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. Okay, I don't need you anymore, so I'm gonna be getting my server here. I'll be logging in to my admin panel. It's here. I'm gonna be putting my credentials. And yeah, the admin panel is running, but I can't see it because I haven't used it. So from models import article. Now I can just say admin site.register article, and it should register that into my admin panel. And I got it. There's no article right now. I'm just gonna be adding my first article. So I'll be going on and pulling down the everything. The name was Kickstart Your Journey. Episode was 1. The body. I want a body. Okay, let's just get my script here quickly. I'll be uploading it. Where is it? Here you go, the podcast. The thing is, everything is not going to be like as I said on the podcast. I have done something more there. Okay, let's just go with it. Now I'm gonna be getting my image, what I used for that, for the episode 1. Where can I find that image now? Let me find it. I guess I got it. Yeah, there you go. I'll just get it right now quickly. Where are you? Yeah, I found it. Now let's just go to where should I go? Where is YouTube? Learn with me. Okay, thumbs, and I have it saved. Okay, I'll just choose the folder, open, and I'll just save it. Oh shit. It's funny, like how I forgot about this is a number and it's not a string. I'll just go with title, and that should do the job. I'll just copy and continue. What, man? Okay, let's go there as well. Again, there isn't any. Start your journey. Episode 01. Paste the article. And now this time this should work. So as you can see, my first first article is there. Now I need to show it, don't I? So I'll just open up Insomnia. Where is it? Was it Electron? Every time I download something like Insomnia and I end up downloading something else, like I was using API dog thinking that was Insomnia, and that wasn't apparently Insomnia. Oh, it's been a while, eh? Huh? What's my passphrase? I don't know. Don't be... Oh, sorry. Okay, so launch Insomnia. Open. And here we go. Insomnia is back. So I can go to collections. I'll create a new, no, not select all. Yeah, a folder which is called the Nerdy Espresso. Alright, so here we have it. I'll just create a new HTTP response. This is gonna be GET request, so I don't know where. Oh, I haven't set up the URLs yet, so that's not gonna kind of work. Let's set up our URLs, our path actually. So I'll give all. Do I need a slash here? I'll just go with it. Slash all. I can see it. Article and need views from dot import like to. What is it, man? Oh, come on! I don't really need. Do I really need? Oh, this update is making me sick. Views dot get all articles. This is it, and I need the name. All article, and this should be fine. So I'll just open. What? Okay, so I don't need, right? This. Yeah, it's there. I'll just copy him. I'll paste it. I know I need to change lots of things. Like I need to find what API slash version 1 slash what was it? Oh my god, I have this much thing running on. Anyways, this was all article. Insomnia, come on, man. Be a little useful and send. And here you go. I fired it off and I have everything there. Episode 1, everything is done perfectly. The media files, I can see it. Awesome. So I guess our work as a backend is done. It retrieved. Oh no, nope. There's only one thing left, which is basically the same. Another get method to literally like get get article, I'll just make it lowercase, article by ID. Now how do I get, oh, I get ID like this. Method get objects dot should have like filter, right? ID equals ID. What do I get now? This I really forgot how to work with normal APIs. Get article. I can just say article / colon ID. Um, I really forgot. I need to check it. Django. Let's see the Django documentation. What do I have here? Use cases, filter name. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Why don't I have like the application with the URLs? Come on, man. Let's see. Do I have it? Yeah, I pass ID dot get. Really? It wasn't filter. Okay. My bad. Get. I'll go with it. I don't care. It's not exist. Try catch. Okay, I'll go with try catch, but a little later. No one is talking about the passing the URL. What I forgot was URL. Making queries, objects. So are you gonna stay with your damn shell? I don't know, man. There are lots of things I can do with queries. Filter. I could have used filter, but it's okay. Yeah. No one is really talking about the URLs. Let's check Stack Overflow. I guess you have it. Come on. Just come on, man. Anyone just write the URL. Okay. Let's, yeah, I want to add URL parameters. Okay, slash. Oh, this was it. My bad. If I just add this should work. Huh? What did I just copy? Copy. Yeah, this should work. Like, I'll just create it. I'll save it. Can I? not change the name. Weird. Why can't I change the... Oh yeah, I can change the name. Get articles. HTTP request. Get article by ID. Okay, I'll just put this same thing here, but instead of that I'll be giving us this article. I don't need it to be like this. I can just pass one, and let's see the keyword argument ID. Huh? Shouldn't I get ID here? Views is getting ID, but I guess I'll just name it PKD. For some reason I've seen it's not PKD, it's PK. I'll pass PK here, ID equal to PK, primary key. Okay, everything is done here and it should work right now. It all article content unexpected PK. Huh? Oh, this is why it's not working. I'm sorry. I wasn't really careful while copying and pasting. This thing is not iterable. Huh? What do you mean by not iterable? You are an object, right? Okay, let's see the block. Get, huh? What the hell is this? Objects dot. Do I pass filter? Filter or filter by? No. Okay, it does not have it. So can I just pass filter? Let's check. Yeah, got it. So there's just for the sake of the test, I'm gonna be putting another article, the test article. Test AP number 2 body testing, and without an image, save. Now the first one I should be getting another. Yeah, I got this. Now I wanna get the second article just. Yeah, so it's working. I can see it. So with that said, our API for the backend, so API is for backend. So with that said, our API is complete. Let's just set up our the React application for now. I'll be working with React maybe in the next episode. So yeah, no, not React, it's cd client. I'm extremely sorry, like I'm not really I'm not really fluent. I Google up a lot of things, and that was the main reason to show you that you should not be afraid of Googling, and don't just jump into ChatGPT or Claude, because that will ruin your mind or something. Okay, I'll just minimize everything. I'll import React right now. I might have lots of references of Chrome. That's really not necessary. Okay, I'll go Vite. I'll use Vite React. Getting started. I always go with the documentation for starting up React, JavaScript. Yeah, I'm going to be using JavaScript. I don't really need to make it complex than it is actually. It isn't complex at all. Why are you this? I need a simple like CLI or no, I need a simple Vite React start Vite React create so that somewhere it should be, yeah, there I go. Should I just scroll down a bit? I don't need unnecessary apps should not be running because I'll be not using backend for a while now. Let's move on to our front end because backend is done. Now I'll just collapse everything. Oh, okay, it's fine. I wonder, like, do I need to create a new terminal because that where I was running? I'll just create a new terminal and I'll just give the same command. Yeah, install Vite. Project name, I don't need a project, but anyways, article, or I can just go with the normal convention of app. I need React, I need JavaScript, and that's it. We got our application, our Vite application. I'll just move into app, and I need npm install so this will install everything that I need to start and up and running with React. So it's been like, I don't know, maybe years that I've worked with React. And as you can see, I even forgot things that I was working yesterday. Like I was working on Django the other day, but now I have to work with React that I worked maybe 2 years ago. So it's gonna be hard. I forgot most of the things in React. I really don't love or enjoy using React, to be very honest. I hate front end. Uh, the styling, the CSS, these are really heads up. Like I really don't like it. After this finish up installing and we can just run our application, I'll be turning off this video because I have to upload it, I have to do stuffs, and I also need to sleep. It's 1:17. Okay, yeah, 1:17. It's not that late, but I don't really feel like waking up for React. I also want to upload this video as soon as possible, so I'm gonna be uploading it right now, maybe after editing a bit. The most editing thing is gonna be the audio, which I'm not familiar at all. I really don't know what I'm doing with the audio. I'm just clicking different buttons and stuff. Hey man, okay, fine. So npm dev, and I spelled npm wrong. Npm run dev, and let's fire up our Vite application. Alright, now I was about to end the video and it's still loading. Come on. Alright, so this is our basic setup Vite application. We're gonna be using the React, and this is gonna be it. In the next episode, we'll be completing this video. We'll wrap up this series. No, not this series. Sorry. We'll wrap up this application, the article, and you should be having the link right away. I'll be trying to host both of things for free, obviously. So yeah, as you know, I'm a big fan of free stuffs when it comes to coding and something like that. So with that said, I say goodbye today. We finish up here. We're gonna start again from here tomorrow. Tomorrow means the next video. I don't know which tomorrow it is, but I'll try. I'll try to post more. All right. So bye bye. Good night. Sayonara.